Hi. My name is Tim, and today I'm gonna show you a simple video how to train your LoRa with Stable Diffusion model. Recently I've got interesting task to make a Stable Diffusion model paint exact character, that character from Telegram Messenger. And today I'm gonna show you a simple video how to do it in Google Colab using just 3 simple steps. All of the code from this video you can find by links below the video. Also there will be a link to GitHub account, and let's jump right in. Okay, we have Google Notebook open. I'm using Google Colab Pro with Tesla T4. It's the simplest GPU you can find at Google Colab. This notebook perfectly works with L4, but it also works with T4 GPU. So let's run first cell. First of all, we have to download and install required libraries. After that, we'll download our dataset. After that, we also need to install Diffusers library and import some scripts from HuggingFace Diffusers. If you didn't know, there is excellent library Diffusers at GitHub. All of the examples you can find here. HuggingFace Diffusers. For example, you have text to image problem. Here you can find a bunch of useful, very useful, excellent Python scripts. In this video I use this one, train text to image LoRa SD XL. Also you can find readme file here in markdown format, so you can read it and maybe to know something interesting and useful for yourself. Okay, Diffusers, examples, text to image. Here, train text to image LoRa SD XL.py. Also I downloaded requrements.txt. So we have my data downloaded and unzipped. Here my dataset, train bg with 1 folder images and metadata.jsonl file. Let's open it, and here you can see the content of the file with file names of the images and text that describes the scene of the image. Let's take a look to the images. Here it is. And another one. I have images with 4 different backgrounds: green, red, blue and white. Red and white. That's the character we will work with. You can just replace my dataset by your data and use the whole code of the notebook. Let's go. Let's close this. After that, let's install other libraries, that is in requrements.txt, and log in into HuggingFace hub. I will export my LoRa model into HuggingFace directly. So I need HuggingFace token. I just copy it. Here we go. Paste. Log in. Login successful. You can use your token. After that, here is our training code. Let me explain a little bit. That is our base model. Here is the script. We downloaded just a minute ago. Here it is, directory to my training dataset. Here is resolution, and for this training I'll use random flip for each image. I'll use training batch size by 2. After that, I'm going to train it for 1 epoch. Checkpoint steps, let's say 100. Learning rate 1e minus 0.4. Warm-up steps 0. Mix precision FP 60. Output directory SD XL LoRa pusher. 700 files, 1 epoch, let's say YouTube. It's my output directory. So I use HuggingFace token, and after training will be completed, in my HuggingFace account I'll find this LoRa model. You can use push to hub. Validation prompt a pusher smiles. Validation epoch is 1. Seed 0. Report to weights and biases. Okay, another thing I have to say, that is the name of my character. I used these symbols at the beginning and this symbol at the end of the name to make it unique. So the model will use this like a trigger word. Let's start training. The model is training. It will take us about 15 or 20 minutes. So I'll make pause and return after a few seconds. I'm sorry, I have to enter my weights and biases token here. Now we finished our training, but I got out of memory error because I use T4 GPU. So what it means? It just means that this model didn't upload it into HuggingFace account, but you will find it here in local folder SD XL LoRa pusher. Here it is, our train LoRa model, and you have to upload it into your HuggingFace account manually, or you just can use L4 GPU and it will run without this error. Why I use weights and biases? In this example I run my trading for 1 epoch. Why 1 epoch, you say? Because recently I run this training for 6 epochs, and at the website Weights and Biases, you will find this report, how I run it on 6 epochs. At first epoch, we have images that looks like this. At second epoch, it looks like that. But here you can see some mistakes in my images. On epoch 3, my model starts to overfit. You'll see mistakes here, here, and here. And epoch 4, it also overfits very strong. And here I stopped my training at epoch 4. And now in my example I just run my training for 1 epoch. Now we are ready to make some predictions, but to make predictions we have to rerun our runtime, because there is some mistakes with torch after training. Let's restart our session, and now we are ready to make predictions. To make a predictions, we have to run our first cell. It installs all required libraries, and after that we go down, down, down. Here it is, our run model section. If you want to use this model that you have in your local folder, just use this one code to load your model, but I use my HuggingFace LoRa model. This is our prompt message. Here is settings. Here we use generator to make results reproducible. I have to set up seed value and just run my cell, and let's get some results. Here it is. Our result is here. Here is our character with red hat. Let's change our seed value and run it again. Here it is. It's very strange. Let's run it with another seed value. Here it is. It's much better. So you just need to upload your dataset into folder like this. Change a little bit the script here. Change the name of your output and just run the script and make some predictions. Thanks for watching.